Now, a closer look at the storm threat as it moves toward the northeast, with damaging winds really being the highest marker here of concern from New York City to Pittsburgh, PA, and even into our nation's capital of Washington, D.C. That threat zone does extend basically up and down the I-95 corridor from, generally speaking, Hartford, Connecticut, all the way down through the Delmarva. So Washington, D.C., we're talking to you. Here's what it looks like. Craig just did an awesome job describing where the severe threat is in the Central Plains and Midwest. Here it is for the Northeast. And so later on this afternoon, 3, 4, 5, those storms fire up. And then as we head through the better half of the evening hours, 6 and 7 o'clock, Craig, that's going to be when we see this line of storms really begin to blaze through the I-95 corridor.
One of those situations where it comes down fast and furious with gusty winds and heavy rainfall, even close to dinner if you met some friends after work. Michael, there you go, 7 o'clock, widespread, Philly, Jersey Shore, up and down through the Hudson Valley, New York City, through Long Island as well, portions of eastern PA. Bit of a lull, but we've got heat and humidity still in place, and we do this again tomorrow. The threat today for the damaging winds is pretty high. 60, 70 mile per hour gusts not out of the question along the I-95 corridor. We have a lot of trees here, Michael, and I would watch for downed limbs, downed trees. Could lead to pockets of some power outages too.
Craig, not just today, but also tomorrow. This is now going to be on your Friday. We're going to track that threat for heavy showers and strong to severe storms. Once again, not just in the interior, but right along the 95 corridor, with damaging wind gusts over 60 miles per hour really being the main concern. Craig, I think that tomorrow morning we start off looking pretty good, but it's after lunchtime.
Again.
There's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. That's when things fire up and then get blazing right around dinner time.
Like clockwork, right?
Yeah.
The heat and humidity continues to stick with us, and that's going to just squeeze out a ton of moisture. So when the skies open up, if you will, it's going to be a lot of rain. Whether that lasts 5 to 10 minutes, it'll be enough to cause some localized ponding on the roads and some of the drainage systems. Hopefully they're clean, because it could back things up. We'll also talk about, well, it's not, you look at this map and you're like, well, it doesn't look like a lot of rain. 1 to 2 inches of rain in a couple of hours is going to cause problems.
Yeah, 1 inch of rain over 1 square mile equates to over 17 million gallons of water.
Yeah.
We do it not just today and tomorrow, but also on Sunday. So when we say this is a multi-day severe weather threat, that's what we mean. Places like New York City, get ready to hunker down, because again, today, tomorrow, and then into Sunday could be tricky.